Good morning, everyone. Today, our topic is group discussion. So, we are going to discuss about the group discussion. Now, we are having some objectives of group discussion. So, in a group discussion, tries to assess the following strength of an individual. So, now we are having some objective. So, group discussion tries to assess the following strength of an individual: subject knowledge, oral communication skills, leadership, and time management qualities. Coverage is provided for the key purpose which can be served from a GD and the benefits of a group discussion in the present scenario. So now these are some healthy objective we are just discussing about the, and now we are just trying to assessing the quality of an individual personality and individual strength. So these are some strength of of a group discussion. So we are just checking and assessing the knowledge, oral communication skills, and leadership qualities and time management qualities. So these things are covering. These all things are covering, and we are just trying to covering all these points. So coverage is provided for the key purpose, which can be served from a GD and the benefits of a group discussion in the present scenario. Now, these are some outcomes. So these are some learning outcomes. So group discussion on study topics play vital role, very important role in understanding the topics. Now, the outcome says about the these are some outcome. The group discussion on study topics play a vital role, very important play in understanding the topic. So discussing a topic with friends or classmates help in learning the topic with perfection. So if we want to practice, or if we want to improve ourselves, so we can have we can conduct any GD, any topic with the friends, with the teachers, so with the classmates. So these things are very very important. We must understand. So before learning and having knowledge on that, so we must try to practice on that. So group discussion on a topic involves sharing of learning by the participants, by which equally benefits all the participants. Now these are some topics we are just discussing about the group discussion. So from group discussion, we must have some definitions of group discussion. So we must try to understand about the definitions of GD. So definition should be clear in our mind before taking and before conducting any discussion. So now group discussion, these prerequisites of a group discussion. So next is your benefits in group discussion. These are some benefits, and we will discuss on that. Now, silent features also we will cover in this topic. So do's and don'ts, what to do and what not to do during discussion. So important points in GD, important points in group discussion. Then after some accept criticism. So these are some criticism, and we must accept some criticism in our life also. So these are some we will discuss on that criticism. Then after some suggestions points also we will discuss during discussion. So topics of importance frequently discussed. So we will come to the point, and we will come about the, and we will discuss about the some discussed topic frequently asked during discussion during GD. Now definition of group discussion. So group discussion is a modern method. This is a new method, new technique, new art of we are just assessing students, we are just checking and enhancing their knowledge, enhancing their personality and assessing students personality. So this is a this is a definition. So group discussion, wonderful art, wonderful method, modern method. So now with the help of discussion we can assess students personality. Now it is both a technique and an art and a comprehensive tool to judge. This is a comprehensive tool to judge the worthiness of the student. So we can judge our student, we can understand our student. Okay, what type of knowledge, what type of understanding they are having. So this is very wonderful, session and wonderful discussion during, GD. So we can just assume our student, we can just discuss with our student, so and is appropriate for the job. So definition of group discussions is a, these are some, these are some definition we have discussed here. Now, group discussion. So, that term suggests a discussion among a group discussion among a group of persons, because, as we can say about the name, group discussion is like, this is a group activity first of all. So now we are just, discussing and just suggesting some points. So that term suggests a discussion among a group of persons, person's activity, person's, behavior, and person's skills. We are just, assessing and just suggesting, some points during discussion. Now the group will have 8 to 12 members, so who will express their views freely, frankly, in a friendly manner on a topic of current issues. So now this is a group activity and group discussion. So maybe we have 8 and 12 members, 7 members, 10 members. It's a dependent group. It's a dependent discussion, what type of discussion and what type of panel and what type of interview we are having. So it is depend on that. So group discussion will have, 10 to 12 members. So these members, are very, having a knowledge, having good communication skills. So who will express their views. So now what they will do during discussion, they will just express their views, their ideas, their views, their points, and their, current issues very freely, very frankly, in a friendly manner. So on a topic of current issue. So different topic, different, discussion, they will, interview will assign to them, so they can, freely and frankly, just, talk with them and just discuss with them. Now their time is also there, time limit is also there. So 20 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe maximum 40 minutes may be there. So it is depend on the time limit. So the abilities of the members of the group is measured. So now, so we are having discussion, we are having GD, we are having, we are just sitting in front of our panel, and our interviewer also front of us, and they are assessing, they are judging, they are measuring, they are just, assessing our qualities, members qualities, and they are just checking the leadership qualities among group. So we can say that the time limit is there, and the abilities of the members of the group is measured with the help of, discussion. So now these are some, prerequisites of a group discussion. So it should be in our mind. First of all, before conducting or before having any, discussions, so some points should be in our mind. So topics given by panelists. So we are not say that topic should be like that or topic should not like that. So this is up to panelist, up to member, and up to our interview panel. So topics given by panelists first of all. So planning and preparation is very important. So we can simply say, if we are not prepared, if we are not having any planning, so how can we, give, how can we, present ourselves, freely, frankly, and expressly, well. So planning should be there, and our preparation should be solid. So any topic, any issues can be raised by them. Okay. So planning and preparation is very, very important. So knowledge with self confidence. First of all, if you're having knowledge but if we don't know how to express, and our self confidence is not, we are not having good confidence level, self confidence, so we will be not able to present ourselves. So first of all, knowledge with self confidence is very, very important. So knowledge, if we are having good knowledge and self confidence, so we can speak well, we can, perform well. So any, interviewer, any panelist can, judge us, can assess our quality, clearly. Okay. So this is the main point we will discuss, we are discussing over here. Now communication skills, communication skills very important. Okay. So now what we are just trying, we are just convincing them, we are just trying to, make them satisfied. Yes, whatever issues we are sharing, whatever we are sharing, our ideas, our views, our, points, are solid points we are discussing. We are not sharing any irrelevant ideas front of them. So communication skills play a very important role in GD also. So power of speech is also very important. We are just expressing our views, expressing our ideas, expressing our words smartly, clearly, and frankly. So they are also they people are also learning from us. Okay, so this thing is very important, power of speech. Okay, so presentation is very important. So our personality play a very important role during presentation. We are just presenting ourselves clearly and be having good manners. So how to stand, how to speak, and having a good gestures, posture. So presentations also play a very important role. We are just sitting and just having a having a knowledge, having a current issues, having a current topic. So how to present ourselves front of them, this is also very important part. Having a very important skill. So presentation skill. Okay, so next is your body language, your non-verbal communication is also very very important part. If we are sitting front of them, this is also etiquettes, manners. If we are sitting, how to sit and how to stand. So this is show, yes, you're having a good knowledge. And also apart from this, you are also having a body language. So and your personal, your personal and your personal appearance, your dress, your dressing sense, these all things matter a lot. So we must focus and we must understand all these points. Then after our being calm and cool, this is also very wonderful point. Ki we should we should be calm and cool. If we are having a stress and puzzle problem and having a problem and having a stress, so after having so much knowledge and having a self confidence, but we cannot express ourselves well. So first of all, whatever we are discussing, whatever we are saying, and whatever we are trying to convince, and whatever we are just sharing something, something point, something issue, something general awareness front of them. So we should be very very calm and cool front of them. So if we are cool and calm, so easily we can present ourselves, so we can present ourselves clearly. So these are some prerequisites. Now next point is our extensive knowledge. So this is a very important point. If we are having extensive knowledge base related to state, country, and globe. So why we are discussing about the extensive knowledge? So if we are not having extensive knowledge, if we do not know about the state problem, state situation problems, and their issues, and the requirement, countries problem, globally we are facing lot of things. So if we are having knowledge on that, so in a group, yeah, in a in a discussion, we can express, or we can just share and discuss, and we can resolve many problems. We can take many ideas from that. So if we are taking many ideas, if we are listening them properly, if we are sharing, and also we are participating, participating with them, and also knowing many things, you know many things during interview, so during discussion. So this is a very important point actually. So extensive knowledge play a very important role in discussion. Now we the main point is our areas. So areas, now areas are politics, sports, science and trade, commerce, industry and technology. So many questions, many issues, many discussion can also raise from politics background, sports, and science, different technologies we are having nowadays. In modern time, we are having different technologies also. We are having different MNCs. So if we are having such a knowledge on that, on particular points, on particular areas, so we can participate with them. Okay, so we can also interlink many things together. So this is a main key also. We can say if we are having a such a knowledge from such part and from such areas. So just analyze the social economical issues analytically. So this is a very important ki we are, socially we are aware socially, and socially we are having such a knowledge around us, what is going on, what is happening in our area, in our socially we are connected or not. The main point is that if we are connected with them or not, I'll be thinking on that, are we, having knowledge on that or not. So listening skills is also very important. If we are just patiently, we are just listening, are participating and participating, or we are just listening carefully what others are saying. So this is also very important skill key. We must listen carefully during group discussion. Then after our cooperation, so cooperation is also very great point to cooperating. So cooperation and cooperation, just like we are just cooperating our group, we are helping our members, we are supporting our team, we are supporting and behaving like that ki we are having a leadership qualities. And now what we are doing during discussion, we are just cooperating our group, we are just cooperate our group. So if we are not cooperating our group, so so this thing show if we are very sad, we are only thinking about ourselves only. Okay, so we must cooperate our group, we must cooperate individual. Okay, so now some benefits in group discussion. So we must think about the benefits. We also discuss and talk some points and also say something on discussion. So benefit is also very important. So stimulation of thinking in a new way. So this is the benefits. This is the benefits. And key factor we can say, if we are just brainstorming, we are just what we are doing, we are just thinking our head, we are thinking a lot. So we are just stimulation, we are stimulation many things together in a mind. Lot of things are coming and going, and we are just participating. So this is a very important part, ki stimulation of thinking. So different ideas are coming, different thought process. This is, we can say, stream of consciousness, different thoughts we are just transferring, we are just sharing and thinking a lot during discussion. So expansion of knowledge means we are just increasing our knowledge, we are just sharing, and even also we are just asking, or and are just discussing all discussing all points. So understanding of your strength and weakness first of all. So before taking part in discussion, before taking part in GD and having any discussion, so first of all you must understand what is your strength and what is your weakness. So what type of strength and what type of weakness you are having. Suppose you are having any weakness, and so you must remove such kind of such type of weakness from your personality, because it will you will be in trouble lot when if you are having a such a weakness. Okay, so you just such you must remove your weakness if you are having. So just focus on your strength. So whatever you if whatever strength you're having, suppose if you are having a strength on speaking, and this is a power speech, so you can make lot of you can take part in discussion. And okay, so this is a very important thing ki we must understand our strength and our weakness. So what we have, so your true personality is revealed. So first of all, we are not hiding anything in front of them. So our true personality is revealed and qualities of leadership crystallized. So so why we are talking and why we are discussing this point, ki your true personality. True personality means your face, your personality, your your all personality, your power speech and your expressions, your knowledge, your communication skills, and your ideas and your behavior. Many things together we can just analyze it and we can assess. So your true personality is revealed, and qualities of leadership also we can judge. So if you're taking any initiative and taking some part smartly, frankly, freely, so we can say that these all personality, these all qualities can be revealed in front of them. So we are not supposed to hide anything in front of them. So these are some benefits, in group discussion. Now, benefits is like provide chance to expose. First of all, if you're having hesitation and hesitation and having little stress and having some problem, okay, and you are not in the habit of, so you should just provide chance to expose. And language skills is also very important. Then after your academic knowledge, so there are a lot of discussion, there are a lot of points can be raised, can be discussed during discussion during GD. So academic knowledge is also very important part in discussion. Then after your leadership skills, so leadership skill says something like you are taking initiative, you are talking and just listening carefully and giving chance to others, and also just listening carefully what others are saying, and also giving them just chance to speak. Also you are just they are some students are they are weak and they are having hesitation, they are not having they are feeling hesitation to hesitate. So you are just trying to motivate them in during discussion. This is called ki you are having a leadership quality, you are having a leadership skills. So now you are just trying to convince them, and now you are just giving them chance, giving them time to speak. So this is called ki you are having a leadership skills and leadership quality. Now we are just moving on people handling skill. This is also wonderful technique, wonderful skills ki you are just tackling and you are just handling how to handle, okay, people handling skills. So this is also very important point, so we must focus on that, ki how to handling others, how to take part. So now teamwork is also very important thing. If we are having a lot of work, okay, so how to execute our work, how to how to give tasks to other. So team skills, teamwork is also very important. We are just taking participating and we are just giving chance, and team working with team, so supporting with others, cooperating with others. And now general knowledge. So general knowledge is very important thing, because whatever we are trying to speak, whatever we are just sharing ideas, knowledge, and cooperating with others, so with the help of general knowledge, because general knowledge is very important in discussion, because any point can be raised, any and discussion can be asked. If you're having a good general knowledge, so you can just interlink with them that, okay. So general knowledge is very important. You must update yourself day to day. Now topic may be given to judge. So now what we are trying to say and trying to speak silent features. These are some silent features of GD. So first of all, topic may be given to judge. So they are just giving you different topic and to judge your public speaking talent, ki can you speak or not. This is also wonderful examples ki they are just checking public speaking talent, are you having or not. So public speaking talent, they are just checking there. So discussion revolves around a specific subject, specific topic. So we are just focusing on that ki discussion revolves, so discussion revolves around a specific subject, a specific topic. Okay. So which we required first of all. Okay. So whole discussion, whole ideas, conclusion, and all points are revolving around a specific subject. Suppose nowadays coronavirus is a very discussed discussion topic. So we can raise many issues. We can raise many questions, many many specific point we can ask. So this is called ki we are revolving, so discussion revolves around a specific topic. So this is very important. We must focus on the particular subject which is going on during discussion. We are not supposed to add any irrelevant matter during discussion, because our discussion is based on a particular topic, a specific subject. Okay, so the examiner does not interfere. First of all, the examiner, your panelist, will not interfere with you, does not interfere. Once he announce the topic, once he announce the topic, he or she will not come to you, he or she will not interfere you, and not suggest you do not suggest any point, any point during discussion. So this thing should be in your mind. The examiner does not he or she is not supposed to interfere you once he announce the topic, right? So during discussion, before discussion you can ask, but during discussion he is not supposed to say anything to you, right? So maintain cordially and free expression of thought and opinion. So now, students, what they are assessing and what they are judging and testing you, ki your expression of thought and opinion is clear or not, what type of expression, what type of opinion you are having. So this is related on your specific subject or not. So these things they are listening, and they are checking you. So please focus on that. Please focus on your general awareness, general and current affairs, current issues. Okay, so many thoughts will be improved and many thoughts will be come to you. So just try to improve your thought and just try to improve your expressions. And main important points ki you are freely and expressing your thought. So now, do's in group discussions, what to do and what to do in a group discussion. So first of all, just appropriate to the issues, and just first of all listen carefully about your topic, about the specific subject. Okay, then after they make original points. So they want to check, they want to know that how original are you, how positive are you, and how positive approach you have. So first of all, just this thing should be in your mind clearly. Make some original points and support them by substantial reasoning. Okay, so no need to adding or irrelevant points and irrelevant supporting points. Okay, so listen to the other participant clearly, actively, because you must listen carefully and actively what others saying, what they are trying to say. So if you're not listening carefully, so how can how can you speak and how can you participate? So this is showing you are having a good listening skills also, and also you are having a leadership quality ki you are listening carefully, attentively, actively, then you are just taking your turn, then you are saying something. Okay, so whatever you say must be with a logical. So this is also very important point. Logical, it should be logic point should be there, valid point should be there, with an example as far as possible. If you want to add some example during during in your turn, so you can share some example, just set some examples. So as far as possible, if you want to add, so it is up to you ki you are just concluding your point and just with complimentary clause. So complementary clause is very very important during discussion. So make only accurate statement. This is also another point ki accurate should be there. Okay, now some do's in group discussion. Modulate the volume. This is also very important. If we are not controlling, not balancing our volume and our pitch and our voice tone and our voice tonality and our voice tone, this is some points we must we must have. We should be before having any discussion, these points should be in our mind. So modulate the volume and pitch and tone. So we must understand high pitch and a low pitch, and it is balancing or not. Then after, be considerate to the feelings of the other. This is also very important point. We must have the feelings of the others. So try to get your turn, and be an active and be an dynamic. So be a dynamic and active, so participate by listening. So just just listen each and words, each and ideas, each and expressions, each and points, subjective specific subject clearly, then just speak, then speak. Okay, so talk with confidence and self assurance. Whatever you are saying, this is correct, so talk with confidence. Now we are just going to discuss about some don'ts. We should not focus, we should we should remove such points during group discussion. First of all, being shy. If you're having having a shy nature, so how can you express yourself? How can you take participate in GD? So if you're having a shy nature and shy boy and shy girl, so please just remove such habit and just try to improve yourself. Okay, so being shy is also then after you're nervous. So if you're feeling nervous, so how can you express it clearly? Okay, so after having lot of knowledge or not, so no matter if you're having nervousness. Okay, so keeping isolated from GD, this is also important thing. So we should not isolate ourselves from GD. Just take participate and just take initiate and just take just give a chance to others also. And interrupting another participant before his arguments are over, this is also main point. We should not interrupt anyone. Okay, so when he or she is completed, okay, his turn, then start speaking. So speak in favor. So these are some points. So do not make fun of any participants even if his arguments are funny. So we are not supposed to make such things during discussion. We are making fun or like that. So do not make fun of any participant, any candidate, even you are not satisfied, you are not you are not satisfied, or if his argument are funny, so do not make fun of any candidate during group discussion. Now, do not engage yourself in subgroup conversation, not start talking with them. Okay, this is also bad habit. Do not engage yourself, okay, in subgroup conversation. Then after, do not repeat and use irrelevant materials. This is a very important this is very important point. Do not repeat again. Okay, so if you're repeating again and again same point, same idea, same thought, same views, so just try to avoid. And irrelevant material is not allowed during discussion. Then after, addressing yourself to the examiner. Then after, do not address directly. Worry about making some grammatical mistakes for interest, the matter you put across important. So you should just avoid such points, important points in group discussion. So now we are just focusing about the important points in GD, important points during group discussion. So be assertive. First of all, be positive, be assertive, and be natural. Whatever you are, just reflect it and just show front of your examiner and show front of your panelist. So an assertive person is direct. So it should be in your mind. If you are assertive, if you are positive, so positive person is direct, honest, careful about not hurting others. So if you're honest, if you're positive, so you will not hurt with you are not hurting with others, because you are having a positive person. The positive person, so good person, honest person, never ever hurt will not hurt will not hurt others. Okay, so always have sympathy and always have self respect. A patient listener listening to another person is one way of showing appreciation. You are listening carefully others. So right language, words can make friends. Right words at the right time make the best result. So words also matter a lot. So be analytical and fact oriented. This is also very important point. Be analytical, fact oriented. So our discussion should be fact discussion, fact oriented discussion should be there. It is necessary to make relevant points. So it is important and necessary to make relevant points. So relevant to the point, which can be supported with facts and analyze logically. So now just accept criticism. So if any member of the group criticizes or disapprove a point, so no need to worry about it. So just listen carefully. Okay, it is unwise to get upset. This is called you are just unwisely getting upset. So it is unwise to get upset or react sharply. So just try to avoid such kind of criticism. In case the criticism is flimsy, the same can be pointed out politely. So maximize participations. One must try to contribute fully, vigorously, speedily, frankly, and freely. Okay, smartly, having a a smile on your face during discussion. Okay, throughout the discussion. So these points should be in our mind always. Show leadership ability, show always leadership quality. A group discussion also if evaluates your leadership quality. So a group discussion also evaluate and your leadership quality. Are you having leadership qualities or not? So please, you must focus on the leadership quality and just initiate and take participate. Now just accept someone's point of view and just accept it clearly and praise the argument. So these are some examples. If we are if we talk about the communication, if we talk about the discussion, this is very important thing in is necessary for college students. And because students are not they are they cannot express ourselves. They are very they are having good knowledge, but they are having good knowledge and subjective knowledge also good, but they have failed to express ourselves. This is very important. We must improve our communication skills. This is also test they are just checking your skills. They are just assessing your skills, and they are just want to know are you having good communication skills or not. So just try to focus on that. So we must have a knowledge on that newspaper. If we are reading newspapers, so we can increase our knowledge and also update ourselves. So express without hurting others feeling. This is also very important point. We can say we should not hurting without hurting others feeling. So suggestions, such suggestions are there कि never try to bluff. This is also important कि they are very experienced holder are there. So never ever try to bluffing, never ever try to cheating with them. So practice group discussion with friends on different subject. You must start discussion. You should start discussion. And if you are not in practice, so just just make group and start discussion, and just take any point, take any issues, and just start speaking. So when you will start speaking, then you will be more comfortable after that. So remember, speech is a powerful weapon. So we can we can do that. Now these are some highlighted points. Topics of importance frequently asked, frequently discussed. These frequently discussed topics, so you can take any topic, you can start discussing, you can start talking, and you can just start with your friends, start your classmates. So this is very important. We can take any topic and start discussion with them. So student will feel more comfortable. They will be more comfortable after discussing two three topics, four topics, five topics. So after that they will be able, they will be able to start discussion, take initiate, and take participation also. So this is also important thing. We should just make them make them clear कि you are just taking part, you are just taking part from that. So this is a GD. So is India, suppose now we are just discussing about the frequently discussed topic, is India shining or not? Mobile phones, internet, a boon or nuisance? And so you can just put your point, you can just say something on that कि, why we are talking about the internet, mobile phones, their boon, and students focusing on software industry, good or bad. So we can suggest and we can take different points. We can just ask or suggest something on that. If we are having knowledge, if we want to convey or want to know many things else, so we have to discuss lot, and also we have to start discussing on that. So then we can say many things on that. So child marriage also we can discuss, are you argue or are you agree or not. So we can take some ideas from others. So this is only happen only when we have discussion, then we can suggest many things on that. India's 2020 daughters are more caring than sons. So are you agree or not? Are you having some points on that? So what type of suggestion you are having? So this is these are some discussed or frequently asked point. Ki, what do you think on that? So now we can say influence of western culture in Indian universities. So what type of suggestions, what type of views, what type of points you are having on that? So this is also very important. Influence of computers in medical sciences. So this is also very important point. Ki, are you aware or not? So the main point or main agenda of this lecture is that ki we just want to we just want to discuss many point, many issues, many ideas, and want to know many things from others. This is very important points. Thank you. So now what we have covered. So we have covered a lot of points from this lot of points we have covered from this topic, that discussion about the discussion about the GD, about the discussion, and we have discussed some learning objectives from that. Why GD is important, why discussion is important. So what we are just trying to assess the strength. We are just trying to assess the students strength and strength weakness, with the help of are they aware, are they having knowledge or not, knowledge on that or not, oral communication skills, their leadership qualities, are they having or not, management skills, qualities. So these are some objectives we have covered. Now we have learning outcomes also we have covered, some topics and do's and don'ts, what to do and what not to do. Some definition also we have covered. This is a modern method. Actually we are just assessing and checking students personality. Are they aware about the what is happening nowadays, are they aware or not? So discussion means we are just knowing that are they aware or not. So group discussion also we have discussed. This is a group activity. First of all, 10 12 members we are having. So they are freely freely, frankly, they are just expressing ourselves. So next we have discussed some prerequisites for GD. So topics and panelists, and we should have good skills, power of knowledge, power of speech, being calm, cool, comfortable, and our extensive knowledge about state, knowledge about globally and country. So if we are having knowledge, if we are you know daily we are connected with the issues, if we are daily we are just reading some articles, so we can this it would be very easy for us. We can easily express clearly, because if we're having knowledge, if we're not having knowledge, if we're not aware about the general awareness, so it would be difficulty for anyone. Okay, so these are some points, these are some skills, and their cooperation also we have discussed. We have discussed some points from areas politics and sports sciences area, trade, and different technology also we can discuss. So if we are having knowledge, if we are daily updating, we are taking part of that, so we can easily discuss. Some benefits also we have discussed are personality to personality benefits of teamwork skills, leadership qualities, language skills, academic knowledge, and general knowledge. Silent features also we have covered, rules, what to do and what not to do during discussion. So and some suggestions also we have discussed, important points in group discussions. Now we should accept some criticism and just try to motivate and just try to accept some challenges in our life. If we're having some negative point, if we're having some negative, if we're having some weak points, if we are having any weak point, so you just take a challenge and just improve it. So no need to just upset or react sharply on that. Now we have suggestions, because we are not supposed to bluffing with them, cheating with them, because they are qualified and experienced people are there. So just try to speak honestly, and never ever try to cheat with them. So remember, always speech is a powerful weapon, always. So just try to speak, and if you are speaking and trying, so one day you can, have a good discussion among group. So thank you so much.